Good morning, dear students. Today in class of mathematics we are discuss worksheet 8, chapter number 2, fractions, and the topic is simplification of numerical expressions and multiplication of decimal fractions. In this video we are going to learn about the BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS actually helps us to find the sequence of operations which we have to perform by solving any expressions. BODMAS is a short form of this. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In mathematics we use various kinds of brackets. These brackets are divided into 4 categories. First is bar, second is parenthesis or small bracket, third is curly bracket, and the last is square bracket. So while solving the brackets, first you solve the bar bracket, and the second small bracket, third curly bracket, and then square bracket. Let us discuss question number 1 of today's worksheet. Simplify 3 upon 19 of curly bracket 7 upon 9 plus small bracket 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 bar, small bracket close and curly bracket close. Here we can see the bar is over 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. So first we will solve bar. Bar is over 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. So take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. And solve it. While solving we get here 3 and here 2, that is equal to 1 upon 6. So remaining things we will copy as it is, and first we will solve this bar and get 1 upon 6. Now here is the sign of division and a small bracket also. So while solving the bracket we first solve this small bracket. 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 6. As we have earlier discussed the rule of division of fractions. So we will replace this sign of division by sign of multiplication and take the reciprocal of 1 upon 6. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 1. 6 upon 1 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 6. Now reduce 6 and 4 to its lowest term. 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. Now open the small bracket. But after opening the small bracket we get 7 upon 9 plus 9 upon 2. Now these two fractions are inside the curly bracket. Now solve the curly bracket by taking the LCM. We get 95 upon 18. After opening the curly bracket we get 33 upon 19 of 95 upon 18. Of means multiplication. So 3 upon 19, at the place of we put a sign of multiplication. 95 upon 18. Reduce it to its lowest term, we get 5 upon 6. Hence the answer of the first question is 5 upon 6. Next question of the worksheet 8 is simplify 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8 inside the small bracket divided by 3 upon 4. Here we will use BODMAS because we are having a bracket, multiplication sign and a sign of division also. In BODMAS, B stands for bracket. So first we solve the bracket. Here is only one bracket, that is a small bracket. So solve it first by taking the LCM. We get 5 upon 8. 2 upon 3 as it is, sign of multiplication as it is, sign of division is as it is, and 3 upon 4 we are copying from the question. Now the second is off, but we are not having off here. The third number is of division. So now divide. So operate division before multiplication. 5 upon 8, at the place of sign division put the sign of multiplication. 3 upon 4, now take the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3, reduce it. Here is also a sign of multiplication. Reduce these three fractions to its lowest term. We get 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3. So 5 upon 9. So final answer is 5 upon 9. Third question is based on the multiplication of fractions. So first part is 8.37 multiplied by 10. Here we can see that 8, 3, 7 and 0. So we put here 8, 3, 7 and 0. Now decimal is placed 1 and 2 after two places, counted from right side. So 1 and 2. So decimal will be here. You can also use a rule that when we are multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, then the decimal will be shifted towards the right side. If there is 1 0, it's shifted one place towards the right side. See here 8.37, if it is shifted one place, then 83.70. Similarly here we are multiplying by 1000. So it is having 3 zeros. That means the decimal will be shifted 3 places towards the right side. 1, 2 and 3. That means after 8. So here it is 8.05 or 8.05000. After decimal, if there is only 0 and no number is after 0, we can cancel out these zeros. So it is also equal to 8.05. Now the next example is 5.78 multiplied by 35. 35 is a whole number. So multiply it, we get 20230. And the decimal is here after two places, counted from the right side, 1, 2. So 1, 2 decimal will be placed after two places from the right side. Next, if both numbers having decimal 0.9 multiplied by 0.41, so multiply it 9 and 441, we get 3, 6 and 9. Now decimal is here 1 and 2 after two places. But here is also a decimal. So we use these two places plus one place. That means one place plus two places is equal to three places. So we count from the right side 1, 2, 3 and decimal will be here. If there is no number before decimal, then we will put a 0. I hope with the help of these questions, you will be able to solve the questions given for the practice. Thank you.